In this chapter, as we look at operators in Python, we're going to be using the Python shell, which is called idle in a graphical environment, or in a text environment, it's simply the Python interpreter run from the command line. Python has all the standard arithmetic operators. For example, if you say 5 plus 5, you get 10. If you say 5 times 5, you get 25. Say 5 minus 3, you get 2. And if you say 5 divided by 3, you get this 1.666. Python also has something that they call floor division, which is simply integer division. If I say 5 with 2 slashes divided by 3, then I get 1, which will, of course, has a remainder as well. And so if I say 5 with a percent sign for modulo and a 3, then I get the remainder. Python also has a built-in function called divmod that gives you the two results together. So if you say divmod 5, 3, then you get both of those results together as a tuple. Finally, Python has increment and decrement operators, and they're not quite the same as you see in some other scripting languages. If I say num equals 5, and I say num plus equals 1, and then look at the value of num, we get 6. I say num minus equals 1, we look at the value of num, then we get 5. And there's also a multiplication and division form of these. So if I say num times equals 5, I get 25. If I say num floor division equals 5, then I get the integer 5. And of course, if I say num times equals 5 again, and then num with 1 slash div equals 5, then we'll get the floating point version 5.0. So those are the basic arithmetic operators that are available in Python. It has all the standard ones and a couple that it's implemented in its own interesting way.